Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert HTML or a web page to PDF. Friends, if you want to save a complete web page or want to save a portion of a web page to PDF file format, then you need to open website. I am opening rediff.com in Google Chrome browser. Now here in rediff.com I will open an article. In this article, I will select some portion. So now to save this article in PDF format, I will click on these three dots. Now here I will click on print. Now here in destination, select save as PDF. Now here it will show the complete preview. Now if you don't want to save the extra stuff, like it is making 10 pages for this article, so if you want to save the selected portion, then you simply need to click on more settings, and here you need to select selection only. Now it will show the selected portion which you have selected on the web page and will save this much portion in PDF format. So now I will click on save. Now I need to select the destination to save the PDF file. I will save it in desktop. Now I will open the PDF file. Now here is my PDF file. So friends, this is our article which we have saved in PDF format. So friends, like this you can very easily convert HTML or a web page to PDF file format. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.